Welcome to the Sage ERP 1000 V4 Upgrade and Implementation Initial Champions Meeting, February 2014. Where we are now. AD Holdings uses Sage Line 500 for its ERP system. AD Holdings uses SalesLogix for its CRM system. Sage Line 500 V6 enters extended support in 2014. Outdated hardware. Microsoft Windows 2003 Server is coming to end of life. We are currently 7 versions behind on Sage ERP Line 500 product line. Where we go next. Sage Line 500 has evolved into Sage ERP 1000 V4. The latest version is Service Pack 2. AD Holdings will be running the latest available version and will have access to all future Service Pack upgrades within V4. What does it give us? It is web-based. Single sign-on functionality. No need for a username or password from your own workstation. Enhanced search functionality across column browse windows. Enhanced help and coaching text system. Export all built-in reports directly to PDF and/or spreadsheet application of choice. Increased addressing format. Address fields now 64 characters and additional town, county, city, state and country fields. Company colour coding for those who use multiple companies. Familiarity with program layout from Sage Line 500. Integration with SalesLogix. Additional room for expansion into web-based customer portals. Integration into SalesLogix. This is seen as one of the major advantages to the upgrade. Key information will be able to be transacted between the two systems.
It's 12 hours.
Initial information. Customers. Suppliers. Stock items. Sales information. In the latter phases, potentially, sales orders and quotes. Who's involved? Internal AD Holdings staff, project team, stakeholders, champions. Datel Computing Limited, Sage's leading UK business partner. Clients include Nichols, Vimto, Hertfordshire NHS Trust, Taskers, Ultimate Products, Rakuten and AD Holdings. They are the market leader in ERP and CRM software deployment. De facto Solutions provide bespoke applications built for Sage. And Syndicone. They are Sage EDI deployment specialists. The project team consists of myself, project leader and support. Paul Woodhouse, trainer, user assistance and support. Stakeholders. Each department has a stakeholder who have been identified by the project team and Pauline. Your head of department is likely to be the stakeholder. A stakeholder does not necessarily use or have access to Sage, but manages a department that does. Stakeholders have chosen the champions for their departments. The stakeholders will be responsible for keeping up to date with their department and the progress being made during the transition. Champions. A champion is a key member of the department who is a regular user of the current Sage Line 500 system. A champion is expected to already know the business process to allow them to perform their duties on the current system. A champion will be responsible for updating their department's business processes and any other media to include the Sage ERP 1000 V4 system. A champion will be expected to attend training sessions provided by the project team in order to be fully versed with the system. A champion will be responsible for rolling out, i.e. training, informing, etc., the changes and impact to their department, train-the-trainer approach. A champion will be responsible for collecting issues raised by team members and reporting them back to the project team via an issues list. A champion will be responsible for allocating departmental time to stress testing the system in the run-up to go live. Training. The training will not cover day-to-day operations of each task. Sage ERP 1000 V4 operates fundamentally the same as Sage Line 500 with a different interface. The training will cover how to get Sage ERP 1000 V4 working on a user's workstation, how to log into the system, how to customize certain views, how to use the new actionable lists, how to use the coaching and help system, how to use the enhanced search functionality. It will be the champion's responsibility to put Sage ERP 1000 V4 into the hands of their users. Time frame. The EMEA, US and aerospace system will be the first to be upgraded. The Malta system upgrade will be performed concurrently with the go live for the other regions. The Malta system will then go live a few months later. Where we are at. The new hardware has been configured with Sage ERP 1000 V4 SP2. Reporting services upgraded to the latest version along with all current deployed reports. Web-based reports will now work in Firefox, Chrome, Safari and Internet Explorer. Sage ERP 1000 V4 SP2 is installed and configured with all databases from UK-based server. This includes UK, US, Aero and all the holdings companies. All menu options have been rebuilt for Sage 1000 V4. All security has been recreated to match current security access rights. All screens have been rebuilt for AD Holdings layout. There may be slight differences from the screens currently seen and with more open access. Champions will need to compare some of these and place on an issues log that we can work through and correct. The next step. Customer-facing documentation is in the process of being updated and tested on the new system. All current Sage guides available on the wiki will be updated prior to go live. Sage Wiki will be updated with new information relating to Sage ERP 1000 V4. An issues log has been created for champions to raise issues on. All Sage Line 500 issues should remain on the Sage Help Desk. All Sage ERP 1000 issues will go on the issues log. The databases are up to date as of the 16th of February. Another cut of data will be performed on the 21st of February. Another meeting will be arranged with the champions to go through the installation process and giving access to the system. March/April familiarising/stress testing on the system by all departments. The Go Live. The Go Live is set for Monday the 28th of April 2014. Month-end close-off will be Friday the 25th of April for all entities excluding Malta. As soon as close-off is completed, no more transactions should be performed on the system. Once finance advise that close-off is complete, the databases will be closed down and preparation will start to transfer the data. All EMEA, Aerospace and Holdings databases should be available to the project team by Friday mid-afternoon. US should be completed by UK end of day. A manual system to record any transactions for Friday afternoon should be maintained by each department, ready for inputting on Monday the 28th of April into the new system. Friday night and all day Saturday, all conversions will be performed ready for Monday morning. The Malta Go Live. The Go Live is tentatively set for the week of the August 2014 shutdown. Stakeholders and champions to be identified. Plan for Go Live to be created. YouTube. A YouTube video channel has been created that will accompany the training guides. The channel will host any training or recorded GoToMeetings for both Sage and SalesLogix. It is an open, unlisted channel, which means users can access the channel with the link but cannot search. The link to the channel can be found on the Sage Wiki. The link to the channel is as shown. Thank you for attending the initial champions meeting. Questions will be taken after the presentation.